Oh yeah, ice flaker cleanup time. And she's good and dirty. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart this agitator section so you can clean them up real good. Alright, you want to know how to remove this auger out of a Manitowoc Flaker to get the barrel off. So this is all sitting inside the barrel right here. There's two screws on the outside that takes this off. This will come out of the barrel like this. Get that out of the way. Your main auger just unscrews. It's threaded. You can see that it's threaded in there. It'll just unscrew. You can just go ahead and unscrew that, get that out of the way. It just screws in, comes right out. The auger motor is bolted up into the machine, and this just pulls straight up. Or if you get the 4 bolts out, it just pulls straight down. So there it is, it just pulls off. You got an O-ring that kind of has a little retainer in it, and then that's all that's in there, right there. That just sits on there. It's easier to pull this down than to pull this up. That comes out, and then the pins right here, and then that's it. All right, put it back together. So it's the 4 bolts that puts the auger motor back in, and we'll sit the tub on there next. Okay, so this metal piece goes on the outside. Get your 2 thumb screws, and then that's gonna take care of that plate. This here is just the icebreaker. It's just in there so as the ice spins, it doesn't make a big ball of ice. And it goes through with the 2 brackets like that, and a couple little thumb screws. Now we're ready to install the auger. And it's just threaded and screws right into where the auger motor was. That's what this is gonna do. It's gonna slip right under the icebreaker, right into the threaded part. Then you just screw it right in. And that's it. That's it right there. If you've never taken one apart, it'll drive you nuts. It really will. So I like to get this out of the way, unscrew this, take that plate out with those thumb screws in that plate, and then the bottom piece will lift off. Sometimes it's easier to unbolt the agitator motor and drag it down a little bit to break it loose, because the pin's gonna keep it from dropping all the way down. But that's it, if you've never done one. Hope that helped a ton. If it did, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications of my next video, and I'm going to finish putting this flaker back together. This was a Manitowoc RNS 12A-161 from 2011. No, pardon me, manufacturer's date. 1403. 2014. 3rd month.